question Imam Sahib has given me to ask. From chapter 70, verses 41 and 42, it speaks of some people better than present ones. Is this reference to the generation who are coming to be better than the present ones?
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين. But nay, I swear by the Lord of the East and of the West that we have the power to bring Easts and the Wests.
Masharik wal Magharib.
Yes.
Easts and Wests.
Yes. Easts and the Wests.
Many Easts and many Wests.
Yes. That we have the power to bring in their place others better than they, and we cannot be frustrated in our plans.
So what is the question?
Is this reference to the generations who are coming to be better than present ones? Future generations.
It is not a reference to the generations to come. Whenever God speaks of things which are very rare to happen, which are unimaginable by man, He always calls to witness something which occurs here before our eyes. So, one thing, Rabbul Masharik wal Magharib, should have been noted that in this translation, it should be in plural, not in singular. At that time, only one East was known to man, and one West was known to man, no more. So a time was to come when there would be many Easts, like Mashriq-e-Qareeb, Mashriq-e-Ba'id, and Wasti, Mashriq-e-Wasti, and so on.
Sharq al-Awsat.
Huh?
We call it Sharq al-Awsat.
Yes, Sharq al-Awsat is called. And similarly, many Wests, near West and farther West, America, and further other Wests behind America. So this is a prophecy which we have seen fulfilled with our own eyes. So although it's amazing for us to believe that man will be destroyed altogether and a new being will be born to replace man, it looks a far cry from what we are seeing today. Yet God says it will happen. When we decide to do it, nothing can save you. Right?